Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we embark on thrilling adventures through the natural world, exploring the wonders of ecosystems, biodiversity, and environmental phenomena. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of African elephants, one of the most iconic and ecologically important species on our planet. African elephants are not only a keystone species in their ecosystems, but also an integral part of our shared natural heritage. These incredible animals have been roaming the earth for millions of years, with a rich evolutionary history that dates back to the late Miocene epoch, around 6-7 million years ago. In everyday language, an African elephant is a large, intelligent, and social mammal that inhabits savannas, forests, and deserts in sub-Saharan Africa. From a scientific perspective, African elephants belong to the family Elephantidae and are classified as either savanna elephants or forest elephants, depending on their habitat and genetic characteristics. They are characterized by their distinctive tusks, large ears, and pillar-like legs, which enable them to support their massive body weight and move efficiently through their environment. Key researchers, such as Dr. Cynthia Moss and Dr. Cynthia Moss, Ian Douglas, Hamilton, have significantly contributed to our understanding of African elephant behavior, ecology, and conservation. Our scientific understanding of African elephants has evolved over time, from early observations by naturalists like Charles Darwin to modern studies using advanced technologies like GPS tracking, genetic analysis, and camera traps. For example, recent research has revealed the complex social structure of African elephants, which live in matriarchal herds led by the oldest female. These herds are typically made up of related females and their offspring, while males will often leave their natal herd at around 10 to 15 years old to lead a more solitary life or form bachelor groups. One of the most fascinating aspects of African elephant behavior is their communication system, which involves a range of vocalizations, including rumbles, roars, and trumpets. They also use body language and touch to convey information and express emotions, such as empathy and cooperation. In fact, studies have shown that African elephants are capable of recognizing themselves in mirrors, demonstrating a level of self-awareness and cognitive sophistication comparable to that of humans and some primates. African elephants play a vital role in shaping their ecosystems through their feeding habits, migration patterns, and digging activities. As mega herbivores, they disperse seeds, create pathways, and uproot trees, which helps maintain the diversity of plant species. For example, in the Serengeti ecosystem, African elephants help to create clearings that allow other herbivores, like wildebeest and zebras, to graze and migrate through the area. Additionally, their digging activities can create waterholes and alter the landscape, providing habitat for other animals and influencing local hydrology. However, African elephants are facing numerous ecological challenges, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Their populations are declining, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. For instance, the African Elephant Conservation Fund has been established to support research, conservation, and community-based initiatives aimed at protecting elephant habitats and reducing human-elephant conflict. National parks and protected areas, such as the Kruger National Park in South Africa and the Tsavo National Park in Kenya, provide crucial habitat for African elephants and help to safeguard their populations. As we explore the complex relationships between African elephants and their environment, it's essential to consider the impact of human activities on their populations. For example, the expansion of agriculture and urbanization has led to habitat fragmentation and isolation, making it difficult for elephants to migrate and find suitable habitats. Climate change also poses a significant threat, as changing rainfall patterns and increased temperatures can alter the availability of food resources and water. In conclusion, African elephants are an integral part of their ecosystems, playing a vital role in maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. Their intelligence, social complexity, and adaptability make them a fascinating subject for study and appreciation. As we wrap up today's episode, I'd like to leave you with a thought-provoking insight. What can we learn from African elephants about cooperation, empathy, and living in harmony with our environment? By studying these incredible animals and their complex social behaviors, we can gain valuable insights into the importance of community, mutual support, and environmental stewardship. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.